Hello students, today we are going to learn about surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So first one is cuboid. We need to find the surface area of cuboid. So what is surface area? The surface area of a solid is the sum of the area of its faces. So this is a cuboid and how many faces are there? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 top, 1 bottom. So there are 6 faces. So out of 6 faces, this 4 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 walls. This is called area of lateral surface area or area of 4 walls, right? Area of 4 walls, or we can say it lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Now, how many faces are there for 4 walls? That means 1, this is 2, this is third one and this is fourth one. So there are 4 faces in the 4 walls. So lateral surface area is 4 times. So first one, this one, if we take this one, so this is length, if we assume it, this is length, this is breadth and this is height. Now we need to find the area of 4 walls. That means 2 walls are exactly same and these 2 walls are exactly same. So 2 times the area of first this wall. Well, let's find the area of this wall. Length into height, L into H. 2 times L into H. Why 2 times? Because this wall and this wall is exactly same. That's why 2 times 2 faces. Here is one face is here and one face is here. So 2 times length into height plus. Now this face, this one and this one. So this one and this one will get this is height and this is base. So base into height plus 2 times base into height. Because one face here and one face here. Now let's take common. 2h is common to both. If we take 2h common, what left? L plus B. So surface area of 4 walls is 2 into L plus B into H. You can write 2 into L plus B into H. Now if we include top and bottom also, अगर हम top और bottom को भी add कर दें, top का surface area क्या होगा? Length, this is length and this is breadth. So length into breadth. If we include top and bottom also, then we call it area of total surface area. We'll call it total surface area. So what will be the total surface area if we include the bottom and the top surface? So bottom area is L into B, top surface is L into B. So 2 times again L into B. This is the bottom and top, including the 4 walls. So what is area of 4 walls? This is area of 4 walls plus 2 into L plus B into H. This is the total surface area if we include. And now let's take common. If we take again common, so what left inside? 2 common. So we'll get LB plus BH plus HL. We'll get LB, BH and HL as common. So how we are getting this one? See, 2 is common. So what left? LB. So LB is here. Now you can see this is LH. So LH is here and BH. So BH is here. So total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now comes to the next one, that is cube. Cube is same as cuboid, but only difference is that here all length, breadth and height are equal. So this is side A, length is A, breadth is A and height is also A. If all the dimensions are equal, then we call it cube. So here also we can find area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls. Now 4 walls are exactly same. The surface area of 4 walls are exactly same. In the surface area of one wall is side into side, means A into A. So 4 walls is there. So 4 into A, that is 4A square. Similarly, the top and bottom is also same. So total surface area, here area of 4 walls also called lateral surface area. So LSA. And total surface area TSA we call it. So total surface area is including the top and bottom is also same. the 4 walls plus top and bottom. So there are two, one top and one bottom. So 2 multiply with a into a. So 4a square plus 2a square will get 6a square. So 6a square is the surface area of, total surface area of cube. Now similarly we can find out the surface area of cylinder. So this is our cylinder. Here in the cylinder, if we can see the first of all, this lateral surface area, it is also called curved surface area. First of all, we will find the curved surface area, CSA or LSA. We can call it either LSA or we can call it CSA also. So LSA, lateral surface area, or we can call it curved surface area. And how we can find out this one? So let's see. Now this is our cylinder, and this is called the height of the cylinder. This is the height, and this is called the radius R. Now let us take cylinder. This is a one paper cylinder I have made just now. Now you can see this is the lateral surface area. This surface is called the lateral surface area. And how to find the lateral surface area? Just unfold it. If I unfold it, it becomes a rectangle. एक रेक्टेंगल बन जाता है अगर इसको हम अनफोल्ड कर देते हैं और इसको वापस बनाएंगे तो देर इट विल बिकम ए सिलेंडर अगेन. तो इसको हम वापस सिलेंडर बना देते हैं. लाइक दिस वी कैन मेक सिलेंडर. तो ये एक सिलेंडर वापस से बन जाएगा. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द lateral surface area? So lateral surface area is just equals to area of rectangle. Now we are placing the cylinder like this, just exactly like this. So this is the height. This is the height. So we'll mark it. This is height. This is height, and this is what circumference. If I fold it again into a cylinder shape में अगर इसको कर दें तो ये एक circumference हो जाती है. This length is circumference. So this is length. This is the length of the cylinder or length of the rectangle. So how to find the lateral surface area? That is equals to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is area of rectangle when unfolded. Now area of rectangle we know length into breadth. So what is length here? Here length is L and breadth is H. Now we know length. Length is 2 pi r. अगर हम इसको फोल्ड कर दें तो ये देखिए इसकी जो लेंथ है वो क्या हो जाएगा. इसकी जो लेंथ हो रही है वो एक सर्कमफ्रेंस है और सर्कमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला वी नो. सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस 2 pi r एंड ब्रेथ इज h और ये ब्रेथ कितनी है h है. सो 2 pi r into h, so we'll get 2 pi r h. So lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Now if we need to find total surface area, अगर हमें total surface area निकालना है means we can include this bottom cylinder, bottom circle and the top circle. So total surface area, how to find out? Means LSA, lateral surface area, plus 2 into area of base. There are two bases, so 2 into area of bases, area of a base. Now lateral surface area we have just found. हमने अभी निकाला है lateral surface area, that is 2 pi RH and 2 times this circle area. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square. And why we have multiplied by 2? Because there are one base and one top. So 2 pi r square. Now take common 2 pi r. If I take 2 pi r common, what left inside? H plus r. So this is the total surface area of cylinder. So in this way we can easily find out the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.